Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to stop an Android phone from listening to you by disabling Google Assistant. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and open settings. You can do that either by pulling down the notification shade twice or tapping settings from within the app drawer, which you can open by swiping up from the bottom wall on your home screen. Scroll down and tap Google. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom and select settings for Google Apps. Step 3. At the bottom of the menu you should see an option for search assistant and voice. Select. Step 4. Tap the menu option that says voice. Step 5. There should be a voice match option under a category of the same name. Select it. Step 6. Here you can toggle permission for Hey Google voice commands. Move the slider to the off position to prevent Google Assistant from dropping in on you. So you can also opt to remove voice match from all your devices. However, even with the Hey Google voice commands disabled, third-party apps could still have the necessary permission to access your phone's mic. To contact that, you need to check out each app individually to figure out what permission are enabled by heading to setting app to see all. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.